So standard deviation, that is the formula of standard deviation, and variance. Variance equal to 1 by capital N into sum over xi square into a phi minus x bar whole square. Okay? And standard deviation equal to root over of variance. Okay? Now we are explain it with an example. Right, the number of goals, that is suppose the sum is number of goals and the number of matches. Yes. That is the xi and that is the a phi. That is the frequencies. Okay. First you look here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 5 letters. Against their frequencies are 2, 5, 12, 7 and 4. So first of all we have to calculate the mean. So before calculating mean, we need the total number of frequencies. That is capital A, because total number of frequencies is 30. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so mean is, if we want to calculate the mean, then we have to calculate the xi into a phi. So 0 into 2, that is 0, 5 into 1, 5, 12 into 2, 24, 3 into 7, 21 and 4 into 4, that is 16. And sum of this what is the sum of this? Calculate in your calculator. 66. Okay. Now mean, that is x bar.
Yes.
Okay. X bar equal to 1 by capital N into sum over xi into a phi. That is 1 by 30 into 66. That is, if we calculate it, that is the 2.2. So mean is 2.2. Clear?
Yes.
Now, the next part. We know that the formula of variance is 1 by n into sum over xi square phi minus x bar whole square. So we have to calculate another column for xi square into a phi. So xi square into a phi. Yes. So no need to do again xi square then multiply with a phi, xi square and multiply with a phi. No need, because there is a xi into a phi. We just multiply with this xi a phi into xi. Then we get xi square into a phi. So 0 is multiplied by anything is 0. Next, this is xi a phi is 5 and xi is 1. So this is also 5. 24 into 2, that is 48, 63 and 64. Now summation is 180. Okay. Now we put the formulas. Variance equal to 1 by n into sum over xi square into a phi minus x bar whole square. When you calculate the variance, you first write the formula. Don't forget it. If you don't write the formula, then there is a probability of mistakes. Okay? So 1 by n, that is 30 into sum over xi square into a phi
180.
That is 180 minus x bar is 2.2. Now 2.2 whole square. Okay. So this is 6 and this 6 minus that is 4 point, yes, 84 and that is 1.16. So variance equal to 1.16. Now standard deviation equal to root over of variance, you know that?
Yes.
Now this is equal to root over of 1.16. This is equal to what will be? Calculate.
1.08.
1.08. So the answer is the variance equal to this and standard deviation. Standard deviation equal to this. Okay. So in your question paper there is a table. There is some column is for xi and some columns are fi. Then we can calculate this. If there is some xi is some range, lower limit. Okay. Then what we will do? Okay. We will do another example. May I clear it?
Yes.
Now the lifetime of a bulb, okay, the lifetime of a bulb and life hours. Then the question is calculate the standard deviation of life hours. Calculate the standard deviation of life hours. Okay. So there is the life hours and there is life hours and this is the frequency. Okay. And life hours is 500 to 600. Next is 600 to 700. 700 to 800. 800 to 900, 900 to 1000, 1000 to 1100. Okay, and against this the frequency is what? 6, 12, 25, 18, 14 and 5. So this is the data. Okay. We have to calculate the standard deviation. So what we will do? First, what we will do first? We have to calculate the mean. That is x bar. We have to first calculate x bar. So, if we want to calculate this x bar, we have to first mid value. Mid value of this. What is the mid value of 500 and 600? 550, 650, 750, 850, 950 and 1050. So, this is now our xi and this is fi. Okay. Now we have to calculate xi into fi. So this into this. Put the data in your calculator and tell me. 3300. Next. 7800. 18750. Next.
1530.
1530. 0 0. Next
5250.
5250. Next, tell me what is
0
division?
1300.
This is 13300. Next is
5250.
5250. Now we have to calculate the total. So capital N equal to 80. Now sum over xi fy 63
1700.
63
700.
700. This, no?
Yes.
Now it is very easy to calculate our mean.
Yes, sir.
X bar equal to 1 by n into sum over xi into fi. This is the formula for a mean.
Yes.
When you calculate anything, you just put the formula first.
Yes.
Okay. Then 1 by 80 into 63700. What will be the result? Divide. Yes. 796.25. Now this is the mean. Okay? Now we got the mean. Now the second step is what? Xi square into fi. So we put the same concept xi fi into xi. So this multiplied by this.
Yes.
Now tell me the result. Just a minute. First 550 put in your calculator. 550 into 3300. Tell me.
1815
1815
000.
Next
5070
5070
000.
Next
1406
1406
2500.
2500. Next
1300
1300
5000.
5000. Next
1263
1263
5000.
5000. Next
5512
5512
500.
500.
Yes.
Now the summation is
5210
5210
4 zeros.
4
0.
0
4 zeros.
400.
Not 4. Only
40.
4 zeros. Yes.
Okay. So this is the summation. Now we have to calculate the
Variance.
variance. How we calculate the variance? Now again variance equal to 1 by capital N into sum over xi square into fi minus x bar square. This is the formula.
Yes.
Now this is equal to 1 by 80 into sum over xi square into fi. This 521
Yes.
00000. Okay, minus x bar is this
Yes.
796.25 796.25 whole square. Okay, now first of all we just write here
Cancel
5210000 by 8 minus what will be the result of this square?
No, 0 already cancelled.
796.25 whole square. What will be the result?
63
63
4014
4014.0625.
0625.
Now, what is the result of division? Is
6512
651250
50. Yes.
minus 634014.0625. Okay, what will be the result? Just subtract this. 17235.9375. Now variance equal to this. So variance equal to this. Now we have to calculate the standard deviation. So standard deviation equal to root over of variance. 17235.9375. What will be the result? What? 131.29. So by this way we can calculate the variance as well as standard deviation. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Any questions? So I repeat once again. If we got the normal data without this class limit, then we just xi into fi and calculate the total sum here. Okay, and we first calculate the mean. After that, xi square into fi and then put the formula. If we there is a in your sum there is a this type of data, that is limit data, that is for lower limit and upper limit is there. So what we have to do first, we have to do first the calculate the mid value. First of all, if you got this type of data, we just calculate first the mid values. Okay. After calculating the mid values, we have that is the xi, mid value is this is xi and frequency is fi. So first multiply by xi into fi. Then it is xi into fi column is there, and after completing this xi fi, you just calculate the sum of this xi fi. After this, we calculate the mean. The formula of arithmetic mean is x bar equal to 1 by capital N, that is frequency is here, so capital N, you sum over xi into fi. Now 1 by 80 into x sum over xi into fi. So that is the result will be 796.25, that is the mean. So first part is complete. First part is completed. Second part is xi square fi, because in the formula of variance there is the term xi square into fi. So we calculate the xi square into fi column. Okay? Now this is xi into fi. If we multiply again with this with xi, then it will be xi square into fi. No need to do for first xi square, this is square, then multiply by fi. It will be time consuming. So what we will do? Now we just multiply this xi fi by xi. Again we got, then we get the xi square fi. And this column, after calculating this, we just calculate the sum of this column. Then we write the formula of variance 1 by capital N into sum of xi square into fi minus x bar whole square. Then what will be the value? What is the value of capital N? That is the total frequency. That is 80. We put the value of n 1 by 80. Then into sum over xi square into fi. So xi square sum over xi square fi is this. So 521,000,000. We put this minus x bar whole square. X bar value is this 796.25 whole square is there. Now we first calculate the whole square part and put there. Okay. Then we divide this. Just step by step. Don't run here. Again this minus this. then we get the variance. After getting the variance, it is easy. We just put the variance, we just root the variance and we get the standard deviation. Okay?
Yes.
By putting this formula, we can get the standard deviation. And in this way, we can solve the problem. Okay?
Yes.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's 349 live streaming